Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an external transfer account with US Bank. First thing I want you to do once you're logged into the app, scroll all the way down, click here on Transfer and Pay, then click here on Manage External Accounts. What I want you to do is click here on Link a New Bank Account, and then choose how you want to connect your account. So you can either log into another bank or can share account information. Choose the applicable one for you, click on Continue. Now we'll just go ahead and enter our details. So choose your account type, whether it's a checking account or savings account, and then you just enter the details right here, the routing and account numbers. Make sure you verify the account numbers and then click on Submit. And then they'll make some trial deposits which you need to verify. They'll reclaim it, so click here on Send Deposits. Then once they are on their way, you can check your email, by the way, for the next steps. Just click on Done, click here on Verify, and then just enter the deposit amounts. Both of them are right here. Click on Verify, and as you can see, account has now been added. But that is how to set up an external transfer account with US Bank. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. It really helps me out as well.